Assalamu alaikum. Today we are going to start our new topic which is about the translation. In this translation we use is rm with ing. Here I am showing you the simple chart of this tense. We use is with the singular noun or a pronoun given at the start of the sentence. For example, he, she, it, or any singular noun, for example, Ali, Aisha, etc. What we will use with the singular noun? We use helping verb is with the singular noun and then we add ing with the verb given in the sentence. In our next, what we will use with I? We use I with am in the present continuous tense and put ing with the verb given in the sentence. Next, when the pronoun or a noun is in a plural form, for example, we, they, you, all are plural. In other cases, for example, the monkeys, the boys, all are plural. So with the plural nouns, what we will put? We use helping verb are. I am explaining again. With the singular noun or a pronoun, we use is. We use am always with I. And if there is a plural nouns or a plural pronoun given at the start of the sentence, what we will put with these are. So after all these, we put ing with the verb given in the sentence. Here is the exercise. Translate into English. The first sentence is Aslam gana ga raha hai. What does it mean? Aslam is a singular noun. So what we will put with Aslam? The helping verb is. Aslam is, sing is a verb, and what we will put with sing? Ing, because of continuous tense. Aslam is singing a song. In every sentence, if you say at the end of the Urdu sentence, raha hai, rahe hain, rahi hai. So this is called the continuous tense. In our next sentence, बच्चे सड़क पर खेल रहे हैं. So what is the English of बच्चे? The children. The children. And children is a plural. So what we will put with the children? The children are. And the verb is play. So play will be changed into playing. The children are playing on the road. नसीमा ठंडा पानी पी रही है. Nasima is a singular noun. So what we will put is. And pina, drink. Here is continuous form, so we will put ing with the drink, so it become drinking. Nasima is drinking cold water. Next, घोड़े खेत में घास चर रहे हैं. The horses, these are plural nouns, so we put are. The horses are. घास चरने. In English we say grazing. The horses are grazing in the field. घास चरना is its mean grazing. The horses are grazing in the field. घास चरना is a verb, so we put ing with the graze and it become grazing. मेरी अम्मी खाना बना रही हैं. My mother, it is a singular noun, so what we will put here? Tell me what we will put with the singular noun? Is. My mother is cooking food. Cook is a verb, so we will put ing with the cook. Next, मैं अपनी गाड़ी धो रहा हूँ. I. What we will put with I? Am. I am washing my car. In this sentence, wash is a verb and we put ing with that verb. Next, हम बाग से फूल तोड़ रहे हैं. We means हम. So this is a plural noun. So what we will put with we? We are plucking flowers from the garden. Phool todna is a verb. So what we will put here? We add ing with the pluck and it become plucking. Next, डाकिया दरवाज़ा खटखटा रहा है. The postman. Now the postman is a singular noun. So what we will put with this? The postman is. खटखटाना is a verb. Fail. The postman is knocking the door. We add ing with the knock and it become knocking. अली दफ्तर में काम कर रहा है. अली is a singular noun. Ali is working in the office. Here work is a verb. So we add ing. So it become working. Ali is working in the office. धोबी कपड़े धो रहा है. The washerman. Washerman is a singular noun. So what we will put with this is the washerman is washing clothes. Wash is a verb. So we add ing and it become washing. The washerman is washing clothes. So this is homework of today. So please do it at your own best.